channel, and today I'll be talking about, going to be doing an unboxing for boxycharm. So those of you who don't know, boxycharm is a makeup subscription for $25 a month, and if you want you could upgrade to boxylux for $35 a month, or you can get both or whatever. Boxycharm contains 4 to 5 luxury makeup items or skincare, about 120 something value, and you could get it for $25 a month, so that's a good deal. And what I have in my January box first is, and I lost the card for this box, okay, whatever. Okay, is the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette. Let's see if I can get this, if I can open this. Alright, here it is. It's the same packaging. And when you open it, it's like, ooh, I love this. Like, very pretty. I'm going to use this later. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I don't really wear sleeping masks, but I'm going to try this out. See how it works. Hope it don't mess up my pillow. And the third thing is the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. Supposed to be some type of exfoliant, something like that. I'm gonna try that out. And what else I have in here is a Petite and Pretty mascara, and finally Pretty Vulgar concealer. So yeah, I got some pretty nice things here. I've been using boxycharm for about 2 months now, and so far I've been really satisfied with what I had in my box. And the stuff I didn't like, I'm going to give it pass it on to somebody else. I know somebody who could really use it. And that's it. I'm going to put